Hello, good morning to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. My name is Crisanto Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. So today, I am here inside the two-story duplex of Villa Castena subdivision. This is their model house. And nandito din pala ako ngayon because I have a client na magsa-site visit sa whole subdivision. And I am making this video because itutour ko muna kayo inside this one-story duplex of Villa Castena subdivision. This is the model house. Alright, so nandito pala ako sa dining area. Ayan, so dito no, ang ganda ng setup ng dining area niya. Alright, so at my back, this is the CR. Yung CR is quite huge for its design. So complete na rin siya. Meron na siyang toilet, may lababo na, at saka may bath na din siya. No, so shower yung bath natin dito. And then, yung design is naka one room lang siya. Let's get inside the room. Alright, so ito yung feel natin when we get inside the room. Alright, so ganito kalaki. Actually, pwede mo siyang gawing 2 rooms, pero hindi siya ganito kalaki yung dalawa na rooms, no? So, medyo maliliit lang siya. But you can design it in a minimalist way. Okay, so this is the sala, the living room. And as you can see, it has a large window design. Every window ng one-story duplex is large windows design. Even dito sa room natin. Meron din siyang 1.5 horsepower na AC. No? And yung lamig niya is abot dito sa living room. Alright, so kung may temperature checking lang sana ako na device, makikita natin kung gaano kalamig yung from galing na doon na aircon papunta dito. So labas tayo ng unit. Alright, so this is the unit outside. Again, at my back, there's the parking area. And ito yung front area mo sa unit mo. Okay, this is a one-story duplex. So yung firewall is katabi ng kapitbahay. And let's get inside the service area. Alright, so ito yung service area mo. Ayan. So dito ka pwedeng maglaba. Dito mo gawin yung mga everyday activities mo like paglalaba. Pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng dirty kitchen if you like. Mahilig ka magluto, no? Ilalagay mo dito yung dirty kitchen. Okay. So again, this is just a model house. And yung actual talaga na i-deliver na unit, let's get inside muna. So yung actual talaga na i-deliver na unit is hindi siya ganito na yung setup agad. So bare unit lang siya, pero meron na siyang tiles, lahat naka-tiles. Kompleto na din yung ceiling natin. So ang kagandahan lang din ng one-story duplex unit ng Villa Castena ngayon is yung ceiling natin, meron siyang insulator, meron siyang heat insulator. So, makakatulong siya para hindi, kung tirik ang araw, hindi masyadong mainit dito sa loob. It makes sense, no? Kasi it will really reduce the heat outside versus the inside of the unit. So, ito yung isa sa gandang feature ng unit natin dito. And later on, pupuntahan ko yung two-story duplex na model house kasi it is already ready for viewing.